Okay, section 4, using multiplication division again. A couple examples here. In this case, the variable's on the right. So after we solve for the variable, we're going to have to do the whole flip thing again to make sure our answer has the variable on the left so it's easier to graph. And don't forget that when you multiply or divide by a negative, you've got to flip the symbol. So there might be times where you flip the symbol twice, but it's in two different steps. So let's take a look at number 1. We got negative 5 is greater than x divided by 2. So to undo division by 2, we're going to multiply by 2. So I'm going to go get my purple here. We're going to put both sides in parentheses. I'm going to multiply by a 2 over 1, or just 2. It's the same thing. And on the left, 2 times negative 5, we're just going to get negative 10. Since I'm multiplying by a positive 2, this is a positive 2 and a positive 2, this symbol does not flip. So we're going to leave it alone. So it's going to be is greater than. And on this side, the 2's cancel out because it's 2 divided by 2 is 1. Times that x gives us x. But, like we said earlier, I don't want the variable on the right side. We want to move it onto the left. So if negative 10 is bigger than x, that means x is smaller than negative 10. So that's how we're going to write our answer. X is smaller than negative 10. Now I'm done because the x is on the left. And now I can graph my answer, graph my solutions. So 0's over here. Negative 10 is on the left side of 0. Since it's just is less than, since we just got an is less than here, there's no equal to, it's going to be an open circle, and since the x is on the left, this is going to point in the direction of shade, so we're going to shade left. So here we go. We got an open circle at negative 10, and I'm going to shade to the left. Done. Alright, let's go back to number 2. Alright, so we got 18 is greater than or equal to. So right away I know I'm going to be coloring my circle when I graph. Negative 3n. So to undo negative 3 times n, we're going to divide by negative 3. So here we go. Divide. If it'll let me write. Come on, there we go. Negative 3. That is a 3. Not a very good one, but this is tough. Hope you guys appreciate me doing this stuff for you guys. That's a 3 over on that side too. So since I'm dividing by a negative, I do have to flip this inequality symbol. It's got to flip. Definitely got to flip. So 18 divided by negative 3 is negative 6. We're going to flip the is greater than to make it to an is less than or equal to. And negative 3 divided by negative 3 cancel out, so I'm left with a positive n over here. But I got the n on the right again. I got to move it to the left. So if negative 6 is less than or equal to n, that means n is bigger than or equal to negative 6, going backwards. So let me get my red pen. We got n is greater than or equal to negative 6. So in this problem, I actually flipped twice. I flipped over here because we divided by a negative on both sides. And then I'm flipping again because I want the n on the other side. Alright, sometimes that happens. You got to be careful. You just can't be flipping whenever you feel like it. You flip the symbol only when we're dividing and multiplying both sides by negative, or if I'm rewriting my answer with the variable on the left. So now we're going to graph it. Here's my number line. I got 0 over here. Negative 6 is on the left side of 0. We got a colored in circle because it's also equal to. So we got a colored in circle, and it's going to shade to the right. And that's it for example, or section 4, I should say, not example, section 4.